dofo meeting the abona skin pain. Medisika koma madofo any abusia e de fa tap send so. Adentia every say so easy, reliable, fast and convenient. Sim market webi na adofo ensaka sikano e Ghana e kwan ben e na wo befa so e no an say go be grabo o smartphone na wa download e tap send e wo phone so na wo de ko eni gisam kese ne say baby a wo bia wotimi send sika e kom wo busua e wo my Ghana mu e wo abra wonti ahye e tap na mom kai say wo be use promo code e was screen you see e di so na wo benya £5 on top, €5 on top. Sika, what do you come out ebusia? Ewo oh my Ghana, ma mene papa, any beje dodo, Shatta aba.
Alright, so the gentlemen are seated for us to do the reviews of the Assassin Sound Clash. Now, I'm going to say, when crying a winner, I want to make I would say, no, we are not going to declare any winner. We came to crash COVID. Who can crash COVID? Nobody can crash COVID. You give it to me, crash COVID, like America for crash COVID. So, straight, I have my man, Roland Amate is from Event Guide Africa, Kwame Dazi, a usual face and a voice on this show. He is from City TV, City FM, Ghana, Weekend.com. And of course, Zola. Is there also the Zola B?
Zola Live News.
Zola Live News. Yeah. Live News near your website or something?
Yeah.
LIVE News.
Yeah.
Okay. Zola. Now then, what's in your face, Zola B?
Bim need a one. Still, show me profile Zola Van de Lam Live News Bim Nation.
Hey. And also too much. I see. Zola now they all of any hobby.
Yeah.
Kwame also to me go be. Roland. Also share online. Okay, no problem. You best start the discussion straight on the clash. Now Zola never Zola my review say and then talking points no. I was say a TV show.
Okay, talking points in so far about voting, which was supposed to end at 12:30 midday.
Okay. Saturday, no?
Yeah, Saturday, no. Ended around 8:30, and then even 8:30, no, class at 8:32, 9 o'clock, and still.
And voting, when did we need?
Voting, it's me because as at 8:30, now Stonebwoy did reach Omeki or send you like a post screenshot.
Yes.
On Twitter, say we winning. And then 8:32, SF also posted as some winning. So up to now, no. It's up to as I say for or something.
It's as if one team declare after voting when they do. But they said on the mobile car and no wine.
Okay, car no per me understand no can say highest voter. And yes,
an individual
be vote be brave, you know be winning car.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And then my competition by the so big 5,000 people back to vote.
You say I shall not deny say SM guidance so Patrick Bill say.
And then I talking point there because if you to me one winner of the clash and until now so voting is the one winner, that means I said now as for no the idea go. Yeah, so far no more can say and I think say how everything went because now Obia being said that kind of lyrical battle maybe beat and instrumental will not come off flow. But this looked like normal performance now. Normal would say I go event, I go to a gate fee, I go event I'm performing that was how everything.
And to that net fans now more normally disappointed say a cause.
Okay, yes. You must say up to round 5 and everybody was a lot were disappointed. Mukasai were disappointed because they had the feeling say and I said they were expecting say about that kind of lyrical thing. They were dropping beats, instrumental, maybe you'll be able to flow lyrically. But many were disappointed.
I see. Alright, so reports from an eyewitness, he was there, and to the vivid report from there. Kwame also talking point out so far so across L online there.
I think the same thing because somebody sent me screenshots of the voting pattern. No, Shatta Wale na onya 156,538 votes.
At what time need?
This was before 8:30
PM. No.
PM. No.
Okay.
I can't cancel 8:30 number. And I started 156,753 votes. Into the 5657. Then I think a little later now failures who vote here, I'm system normal block you or more close voting today. So the person was like, 8:30 anymore, I didn't know more close voting at this time. Then other people too were saying so Wale had won with the different figures near there. So I was also confused. Actually, I should have been there, but you could hear me a month. And now me monitor. Now somebody from the team sent me Momo 10 CDs. Send me fan share.
Oh, okay.
I send him a link now. Me beginning now my yeah. So later on, me who say me call on Facebook wall them. Now me who so much share link be all man. And I know a direct a com website.
Okay.
Then I was watching on the website. And I met someone and say they are going back to Facebook Live. So it was on and off. Facebook like baby out here anything. Into another talking point, me to send focus say na him fan yen obi say my send me data so then later I realized that you could even watch live on Facebook without having used that 10 Ghana cedis momo no earlier on. So I think me nim na no person me here from the beginning. Now more the no person me use. I thought to say in the first place, if you no person omutimi monetizing no.
Okay.
No money sika from the people because 10 Ghana cedis nipa ene abeshia on sika. But now there were difficulties in accessing at yes. Then the website thing also this is a brand that Nansiano Mobile and in all aspects you can the very big beneficiaries of this whole thing are the radio station as radio.
Okay.
Because one monetary wise even if you share voting a crown or money charge if it's 50%.
But I'm for a calculation be some good amount.
I'm not paying that PG calculation be and it makes sense so much sense because
but it's the calculation right though.
Say 50%. Now can now me say boy me can 156,000
one vote is 50%.
Yes. A big amount of money. Even though you so almost scardy, but I a program.
No,
yes. Into no traffic, traffic there. Or when you be on air to their website, Facebook and social media handles, what me boosting now through this you kind of saying clash, I said bus week. Then there was so much delay because my time me takes on best starting at 7. Okay, if I say there 7 on the red carpet near there. Now 8, that's 9 born near the na faina. A month for train even after Miss Vino me for me we a rascal cuckoo tune in Sato who in near the next. Ya Kenya, me say one me though. It's minutes here no say oh Stonebwoy Wale but Charlie I was like too much. It was too much because people thought say the thing would go on. 7 so the whole thing dragged, and for somebody or anticipates this clash for a long time. Then you are a man for THC no more share. A man for the data.
Yeah,
people spend data to watch, and I'm saying so that so I keep on back from that. So me na me share live stream na me go for comment obviously there are people now me so disappointed in them as in the way I now keep them waiting maybe I won't share so share through the link now you send you say to your 10 Ghana cedis so on website ho so on Facebook and at times we hear radio so I won't feel no more live on radio but untimi nya feel ni is any I work here but me sure I'm set up near Madi and it was nice. And no dear, it was nice. Okay, set up no names and yeah. Omo yeah, see what money in a ecoipa. The money getting to be a far how you would watch ne to see a year when you winning any idea. And on the crazy issues on confirming.
Were you also expecting them to declare a winner? Were you really expecting that?
I wasn't, but voting, dear, at least. Say thank you.
Yeah.
Now, okay, my being in an say, from the beginning, you almost some way clashing. Okay, clash is not the first time you clash at least. Almost follow reggae dancehall music in Jamaica near the started in 1950s near the started. So they've been doing this over and over again. Even recently, verses are Swiss beats in Timbaland started crowd. Binima, any particular echo yebi. So it's not so strange to say you say artist beat na hand beat na hand one or ye bibi. What you say, but the idea that two people who have been beefing, nipa mienu a enim say for a long time no more beef. Na omo resolve issue. Ni yes omo mra into a clash no. I initially had some misgivings. Oh, and kofu I some vibe na abafom because abra na nkomu tizemu pa na you say oh we ni we kan ya de no. And you can see have a clash. Ube say a generate interest.
Yeah.
By this time, they are friends in himself. And friends in reality, they've made us believe. Say
now they are together.
They are friends. Into no day, a big generative rivalry between them, and answer some kind of clash between them. And I know so much. Say as I see radio phone, who say BBS pen into mon conquer BBA a be escalate a be man for and say fans ni before make say. And we're winning away. It's almost shared. That's what and declare winner. But now I think it's even worse than the situation because votes by Coba Bontina that you knew Binya. Obi so no where winning. What you say, still in the minds of the fans, I saw person that in Tanka, person who votes in the Yanaka person who cry.
Okay.
But now, some people are really good. You one part of the vote, you one other part of the vote. It is still a dependent person who avoiding some person be declare winner. No? Still, you are still creating that kind of confusion in the minds of the fans. As it's your moon, baby, you say when they win you. He say, artist ring no, be also winning.
Yes.
Because you see stories saying Stonebwoy declare himself winner. We see when they win.
In fact, Lapiti earlier SND story by said Stonebwoy winning today. Me want no who Shatta so the or this one man publish it. You say no, you be misleading you as a misleading on one release.
Yes.
Say yes. Is the winner here?
But I mean,
why are they finding it difficult to declare winner?
Maybe I don't know. Somebody say but
oh no, say KPMG.
I know. I ban a year too. What you say? And I make and say, ebi almost two madinya kwechiri. Bibi a see that between Wale and Stonebwoy. As you say, but
don't know. Say, on my camera for
actual year. I didn't say.
No.
I didn't say. It's not with me, Bob. Because if fans no so but up to this time, and when say, oh, even though you say maybe a dream na two artists, you know, now they don't have that rivalry again. Yeah, clash not to generate hatred and that's but yeah, foster unity. Then at least I'm not sure say I declare winner one part people be too much. But in all I think this clash I'm not sure say I benefited Wale and Stonebwoy.
Okay, that is a good point there, Kwame. Yeah, to say in all the clash no say Stonebwoy and Asha.
Who benefited by
radio station.
Radio station one. Was cool when a chameleon.
Okay, everybody. Mami called Roland Amateo. Roland, a friend called I think that was his name. I say Nadine the Sugar. Okay, Razozo Richie. I'll say it was in the Nyanji wife. Okay.
This is the second time I'm on for Bonabasu.
Yeah,
first time name woman.
Yeah, woman they were feeling Orlando. Roland, also talking points and then so far not one or two. Well,
me, I will divide it into two. As an event organizer, I think I will applaud Asase Radio for putting up such a spectacle because to pull these two artists on one stage in a crown, so for an event organizer to put up such an event and share setup, stage, light, sound, everything was on point. Event-wise, they did it to perfection. But as an industry person, I think Asase Radio by now can also issue apology
To who?
to the fans.
On what?
On say one time as I called the any event, they wanted to drive traffic onto the website. So they made all information right from the beginning of the campaign. Say, yeah, show baby, yeah, show website and so. Until say the website developed problem, and then no crap in 30 seconds, and no the information back out said this is the situation, and because of that, we are moving to this place. Or social media. Now, one, you said say okay, people should make me who information on the day of event. Say you should go to their website to be able to watch the event. I was very disappointed because this is a communique which should have come earlier on since we started a campaign for the event. Because already fans need to say the event was held at our station compound and they swept. They did it at a different location. One, and we mislead you on one no. Second one, website now Saka say kwahwe was so. Obi wo ho me metua musika e dey vote ama me artist. Esa between different sikasa dey akoto data abehwe wo website, and the website whoever watched on the website na me share our website any Facebook.
Okay.
Who say no me say no message say on Facebook they had 59K until it dropped. It's not me share the website wasn't smooth. Whoever or be or share website and so from the beginning, or be catch me say it's smooth on camera, and you be on your own screen recording camera. It wasn't smooth. To say be in fact said they are on their website. Even though say that programming started now it was running smoothly, but it started because of the numbers in the cartier. But the website on Asasi Radio wasn't that smooth. And moreover, at the end of so more year before people would realize now must have switch it onto a different platform without any communication. Into a big crown, the credits and the 3 gig not toy, which is 10 CDs and one or they share, and moreover, another one time also a Mokasa membership program nothing. Basame, credits mitimi gauge so ebi a meto 2 gig and 3 gig. A bit me give me 7 case me year life. Me case me year life feeder. Because they also calculated. If we said 3 gig would be able to send you throughout the event. And it's not more 3 gig. It's minimum suing so 3 gig in the annual 2 hours, 3 hours there. Live continues. I'll be able to stream the event. In December 3 gig. Now 2 hours event now with the man. Most of them say, we can say 8 krana. Now we start 8 from 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. The DJ was jamming back to back to back to back to back. Me too escase me DJ and I say me too escase me Shatta Wale ni Stonebwoy. And moreover, Rascal Kuni Miss V ni Chameleon. They brought it, I think say 24 hours before the main night. And I'm waiting for neighbor. I said they will be performing. Not that means I just said I compare another scam never just for so. Which was really disappointing. What I say, by this time there, this was the best timer. They should have issued an apology to the fans. And moreover, me as I said they should have declared a winner or not. Me, I knew from the beginning said they weren't able, they would not be able to declare winner. Because even on that night, we know how these fan bases of these two artists are. Whether Oshesu to or Shesu to. That's I mean. And yet video. I had my community event. Like any video, even the artist named Crown Pono, on one some fan base and cut me attack him. On one artist. On one some fans like that.
Saka for no money loyal to anybody. Sometimes I beam nation was every time. I one day my baby not SM for the hey, we know where you belong.
What you say? Obi Oshesu to Mpo and gentle. That is how Omo fan base and Asasi Radio due to Niama ACC in the past. They didn't want to trigger anything of that sort.
Not at all.
Let's tell them say it is a sound clash.
Okay.
In the first place to crash COVID.
COVID will be to be crashed.
To crash COVID, then let's put that peace umbrella on it. Into Anya, we will just use the peace excuse to say that is why we weren't able to declare a winner. But then, apology no, fans no more voting no. Me voting, me change results.
It's on the check card.
You see, yeah, can't make us say can't ever call to the highest voter. Meaning one person will be Yes.
But from Saturday,
so far, about say we in the evening.
But from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, how much
let me pick one angle. Did the artists get emotional at the point?
Getting emotional at the point, yeah.
Oh, they did.
Who got emotional at what time?
I think at the point, I think Shatta was trying to tease Stonebwoy from the onset, or tries to be teasing Stonebwoy with that in the 9 even from the onset, that was not all performing. I think the next Stonebwoy was talking to his DJ. Shatta Koyako hitting just to provoke him because he said a clash. Anything is allowed. Because, I call Kosha. You need rules. Okay. Maybe allow him say you can go the extra mile. So when Shatta went to hit a friend, said Stonebwoy, he was only part I don't know what sorry, which I thought said he educated them very well on how to handle themselves.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, but I got to a time when Shatta had to bring in your friend Sammy, Stonebwoy felt say he has to reply. That was why I think say the emotionality but aside the me who say very, very well. Very, very
until they hold to you, no emotions but more at the point.
Yeah, but more at the point from both camps. But
at what point did Shatta also get emotional?
Shatta got emotional when I think say Stone is one of the reading which is Yes, and the reply and then when Shatta said Oduna, Shatta mentioned of Oduna, Stone replied with a freestyle. That was when I saw say it was getting emotional, and then Shatta was still doing the Unyai thing.
But we is a guy.
Yeah, you understand. So I think that both artists got emotional.
We use a guy.
But me of course, me from my point of view, I believe say you know Mukasai, you educate you. It wasn't say your election year. And then if these two people should start whatever they had before, you know, this election they be peaceful.
See. Kwame, did you also feel the emotions at the point?
Oh, me also no mood yet.
So you didn't feel what do you say about me throughout?
Me share the later, but my hand live.
Okay.
Me later.
Me share it live.
My hand live, but me also no mood yet, bro. Because somebody like Wale, for example, I grow in this world in that. If you as a Stonebwoy now, or before the more emotional, dear, say from that angle. But me himself from the onset, no one say yeah emotional in Makoye. Only say I go to Makodi because Sana Zola Edikan Kayano. Yasada every film say Nimba Beye is for peace. So even if somebody says something bad against you on stage, you can say, oh, wait here, I go on. So we be my wife. I was saying you're emotional. He was acting it up and I said, but emotional.
How about you? Did you also feel some emotions?
Oh yeah, made me feel it. But one will say, Adiano, Ayana, any artist no. The Kofona Yomudio Mwichin. One will say, ask yourself, say, I don't do baby now. Organizers were trying to sack them off stage because they are not going.
Yes,
they were. I think before 2 artists never on stage, they gave a number, like number of people that say artists
who could follow him to the
stage. Not more than 5. But Shatta never first, and then Shatta violated it. So Stone also first, and you. Because they gave them a number of people that also moved artists.
What I said, I artist no. And it got to a point where one says, me and Michelle, you could see, say, edu baby emotion when the emotions were rising. Way everybody way now or perform here. Then yes, then this one will also go to his fan. Now Charlie, what boy way no. Then once an artist, ultimately said they prepared playlist out they buy you, but it got to a time they both had to change their playlist because they could do your Charlie Wabo used to boy, Wabo yes I am boy. That was what was going on. If you read their demeanor name or movement, you clearly see say they had their playlist. So you boy near boy, but it got to a time Charlie Wabo yes we boy, Wabo boy, which is why Shatta Wale had to go and bring Sammy song. And this like Shatta Wale has monster hits. Our monster hits even any features crowd not quality there. Ah, obetimia Bobby Bray. Shatta Wale performing over 100 songs on stage. So Sammy Nyum dey can bear you on the playlist no but no emotions you see it is a way no boy it's a kind of issue with channel. Now, after the because I have followed them and know most of their songs. Me feel say we boy I can we so boy, but I don't as an artist. I come be money for. It's after maybe watch. Now me so be creating a playlist.
I think that point now is very valid because the way we say Shatta Wale ni Varioski. Now for mu so for some minutes now I say the place was very quiet. Because we are trying much at the about. And now,
that was when say, oh, Showbiz say assassin on the logo. Now the two are no more running as, no more running as, no more running.
But I think that Stonebwoy, in that sense, Stonebwoy was very smart. Once the Shatta dropping him with pay, he was smart, DJ, and then tell the Charlie drop this. And then the Stonebwoy DJ also everyone which is justice. Because sometimes for if Shatta dropping him, you are not going to back up with and I guess okay, they could drop this. We Stonebwoy will understand for them to do it. Because I'm also say and then I say so I think that with point now is here.
Okay, so let me ask the last question. Zola, can they do this same again? Knowing the disappointment among Fonyase and yet competition said any pen voting for more disappointed among for see our fans in there as a kind of pepe. Only now say we were scammed. Now the fans, both fans know they all say we were scammed. Can they do this again? And if they should do it again, is it going to be another Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale? What is the future for the clash like?
Okay, before members are doing I think say few hours or few days to the event. Sammy make a statement say Obi Obi you know on any get clashing. Meaning that now we were all expecting a winner.
Yes.
And
Sammy statement now, oh yeah, not money yet. Said Assassin Radio confirmed deal. With Sammy said the baby, you know, and our clashing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Sammy.
Yes.
The winner would meet Sammy.
Yes.
And then
because the Sammy they just authority from Assassin team.
And then the way I nyama kono, ye movie na. He said, "You say Sammy no one ever clashing." And then remember back to the voting thing. This voting thing, you show you baby event organizers crab bread, which is our skins bread. Because you see on my remote then our skins, ABA voting part in the public. Say you voting and choose who wins what in what category. But at the end of the day, no, it doesn't go in favor of the number of votes public in the area. Which every award scheme they are suffer with that kind of backlash after every scheme. And moving forward now, as I say, so as I will I think that moving if you are showing 1 year, every baby industry will suffer with voting.
Voting business.
Yes, every fans and bear for the guys go. I didn't call you voting cry. Because your group more in your information said, so voting and you will cry and you're not going to declare winner. But on my poll or Twitter. On that very night to declare the winner of the clash. But from a layman point of view, veterans say we are almost clashing here. The judges be now at the end of the day. Or point out say this is the winner or winner. But you won't be sir. Yes. No. You won't be sir. And if I do more year fans also baby now baby so mature. Because if you could see, I was in VJ and say if I'm member out of a can, number of votes on Munyae, it must in total can be compared to previous awards. SOT.
No, I think I agree.
SOT.
The fans are getting disappointed by the day.
SOT. If you are actually here, it will affect years to come. Maybe point of view, you know, as in the way I don't know. So if you are actually here, any company and any organization, you have something like a clash, and I say,
it's our format.
If that person's mindset is okay, me too artist is huge. It means we have some family music and I'm sure Obelusu because the way I am calling the I think it's not good. And yet
I see. Yeah. So you don't see them succeeding playing the same cards next year?
No. Even if they should play, it wouldn't be like this. It wouldn't be very massive like this.
Okay.
It wouldn't
and
be very
next year if they will do, are they going to do another Shatta, Wale, Stonebwoy, or they will have to play maybe some different artists?
Okay. Me we should some different artists because if I'm
now we different artists now bars now
that is it. And then if we use Shatta and Stonebwoy as a bars never from because I can tell for a fact say I have people from Sierra Leone Zimbabwe normally chatting and then at the end of the day they were disappointed. Though they had almost dream, but at the end of the day they were disappointed because any BBC no more expected because we now every day worldwide and then you who they are Jamaicans near your money. If you can say clash,
it's not lasting.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you go to do like the normal performance, if you are baby on show to come and perform just there's something good there, then I think say next time you'll be like, oh, these people stuff.
I see. All right, thanks, Zola. Kwame, what is the future of this clash like, either for Asase or any other organization?
Minimum focus. Minimum some person in a dance or one, some person in a clash. Typically, you know, a dance hall kind of thing.
Okay.
But media to me, no, say me we to be more. Make us on to send verses for your money. And yes, on a platform like that, but beam to sustain the culture, to sustain the radio station's relevance, no. Because I'm in a dance on Kwan, vibe ni. Now, next time I'm going to Stonebwoy vibe no, a coffee. Nipa ebi because I'm here befa a Jupiter ni episode. Jupiter any episode.
And also
these two guys
they will not allow themselves to go and play their songs. They will want to go give me a band here, give me a band here.
This is the information.
Okay.
Between Camelo and Eras people, the information said both two artists. I agree. Say okay, you have 5 reggae songs. In India, you have probably 2 dance songs, which is our own songs. But when they got on stage, they wanted to sign, which I think the Camelo was trying to go raw.
Yeah.
So that was when I think the Rasuku was trying to jump and then sing and start going.
Because Camelo only popular songs are about
yes.
But was star. Yeah, man instrumental.
That's the thing.
Me say knowing Camelo, we didn't have events be brilliant, and as a Michelle event be brilliant. Or past stage, I didn't perform me. Or no, per se, man really.
No, but right this.
Yes, indeed. I don't know if he was being smart on our school, so we agree to that idea. Say okay, you go away.
No, Rascal could you Camelo on the bed.
Yes,
all party caps now, boy, or name.
Well, 2 teams agree. 2 teams agree on that. Say you go and see. But we do stage them say yes.
That's something.
Yeah, Kwame.
Me you say omo ntro makwabom. Enya kwabom no bonim no. Omo fa other genres ni bi ka.
Okay.
No, so na be your
next time we hear rap.
So na be your
manifest. No,
Timmy Green first akodi onti.
Timmy Green.
Oh, Charlie Jackson. So as I say to me yesterday we are a best establish your brand no. A very revive your industry no. Because you see any platform sao our Ghana has a
Yeniska.
And only at the end
from Kitango na
cash
strong.
And only
Cash you drop the extra mukwero. It's some be a 1K.
Easy.
For every blogger. Yeah, man.
It's what where invite you one code
I say 1K for every blogger.
It's no I idea be am me say omodi apa no eye anya hwe kura ne kakra omo ye na anu ya na timia Kenya
yeah industry my active
Raskuku within a short time after VGMA to this one we nya some visibility be Ras nya some visibility be amanfo ba bi so Ras o jimi ne ho no ne nam ha no de plus ne o sen pure sa platform so no so oh that's a guy or to nyum normal no man be ya o sa o freestyle no nyum no to gospel so to dia you and so to
Among was it? Rascal, yeah. Gospel artist on the week.
Oh, no, it's true.
Oh, yeah, gospel artist.
The first the melodies, no. Sometimes, what you say? No, they come in, you know, come ask me, no, you know, Indian. Say, Ras in a different world. What you say? I it's in yes, on Twasso. Never somebody dance will be more Jupiter any episode.
And a bit me
Allah. And I know that I saw to me grounds now. Ebiana and Banco so huge as well in Stonebwoy.
Oh, but Kwame, almost make building anticipation. And to this morning, I think that someone gave them Ricky gave them some advice on radio.
Okay.
Or say yes, it is true, say Assassin radio at the end of but they should try to engage the industry from pre-promo to after
promo.
Because I don't know me Assassin radio but industrial look.
Because a buyer will be at the point you will be a
Shatta all this to going to make us on there. Industry now interest, of course. Some media houses, because of their policies, might not be involved. But say, neutral media, not involve your man.
Yeah.
They can
push it. They involve multimedia.
They involve multimedia.
Multimedia bomb promo, but a whole event grounds will be multimedia for.
Oh,
okay. Promo.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And so, no, I think so. Yes, now.
They should go beyond the dance.
Yeah, it's a very good thing.
Open.
Yes, it's a very good.
Next time they can do rap.
Gospel class a bit midi anyway.
It's true.
Everyone hymns. Everyone hymns. Everyone praise. Everyone your
Ronald, what is the future of the Clash like, bro?
I think say Oma Bokwan because in the event space, like we need more things to spice up the industry. There be an award scheme, musical concerts like. Clashes like this also bring some vibrancy into the entertainment scene.
Okay.
And then ebia as I see radio for Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. A different entity can also pick up ebia the rappers. Yemfa Strongman ne medical. Yemfa Munsim Brian.
Okay.
And one thing I will also say is that my way enkoye Accra there. Events in Ghana. Other regions are suffer pa no mu busu suffer. Events in Ghana, other regions is suffer no mu busu suffer pa because bibia say theater is you Accra. Yes, everyone prefer you go see
theater go for you fact.
I'm a guy go for the TV asking run me Safo dope songs. Kindly say hello to Barry for me and ask him when does he's coming to Cove City.
We near Accra there. Like maybe the maiden edition Accra. Maybe next one they can still do it. But a woman we can even even if the headliners will be that of that in Accra, at least let's extend our tentacles. Oh, ebia and then Yakofa fancy gadam on off. Yakofa we Makasi wa hasi.
Fancy gadam kwani Makasi cry big.
Big.
Yes.
You understand? So it shouldn't be. I
think Sir Kwame can be as early as possible. They should change the face and make it the verses.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Ebia, the name will not be Clash moving forward. They should look for another name. Every month, every month,
every quarter, they can still
every quarter. They can. Yes. See, at this stage, the station needs a brand.
Yeah.
And as it stands now, our programs South face,
at all.
So they could do this and put it on one program. That's our program. Make holding station.
Just
Because
like
now
EIB.
on programs, yes, they are professionals and all that. They have all the best guys there. But station on program, yen 1 year, and what's so called CTF 1 year CBS. It's now over side of Showbiz agenda, taxi driver. Oh, yen, and at this stage, say a media fraternity, a media terrain 9. 1 3 year, we need flagship program.
We a good mind, mom.
Yes. So they should build a program
Say,
on it. And then you bring put on this program in that one. Or the amount of slots now during the day. They should put that program in the evening.
EIB, Ghana meets Nigeria. What I say? It is just like Ghana meets Nigeria.
And yeah, because I got more S concert.
You understand? So even if there are radio station programs, at least they have something that you can pinpoint them to say, wait there, and you will there, now wait there, we will not buy. And I pay such an event, and I be say, yeah, Yanko we won. So if going forward, they can also open up. So okay, this quarter you may dance or next quarter near rap near this genre, and I only genre by genre at least because we say be mobile a gospel for a better protest. Yes, since
so we are wrapping up. I said who was most excited for you? Thinking back when I
think I loved Shatta Wale's antics on stage. Yes,
yeah. How about you?
That's cool.
He didn't want to even leave the mic. And what say when he
video, you know, I caught tonight.
One say when I'm not here, into when you hear, not very or catch a DJ and say pull up now. The if you say Mike and Kitan and son and not for the DJ to pull up. It's like I'm not saying Missy pull up.
But Rassi missing, you know, when you say,
I still don't also make your mic anymore.
I see. Charlie, who was your most exciting artist?
Stonebwoy.
Obvious.
So, not obvious, he came prepared. It was a big crack, I said, or for any 2 person, no, he came prepared.
And then I make an one says Stonebwoy
because honestly, time no man crash on
One Stonebwoy.
Yeah.
That's like, if you ever say, by 6, there was a 5, 4.
Yeah, because Tama, not me whom a bike be not a smooth mind.
Yeah. There was a 5:30 in the evening, but because of the pine so near, there was a by 6:37 and Stonebwoy was there. You could see that he came prepared and he respected time so.
But your money, you're fun and soon, yeah, I'm for
and then I make can say Stonebwoy brought the clash aspect. And Shatta Wale brought the comedy aspect. So it was a fusion of these two. What I say? It's not Stonebwoy brought say okay, you say we a clash. So let's do it.
Yeah.
Rascal couldn't
So I say I didn't hand out.
Still no,
I was on I so but not until you're not panic.
David, or no fans, no, you are saying my minty pool.
But this event, and you'll get a bit of to put Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy on the stage. I know Shatta crown. He sees another business beyond this.
Beyond this one.
It's not exactly. He sees a bigger business.
Because if there is even an investor outside, format we na scale brass as he can even push Shatta Wale single-handedly. And the could different stage so and then battle different big artists.
Almost 2 of this class, no one will be briefing.
And you see, this is what Shatta Wale has been preaching from Stonebwoy all the time. Say, guy, your name may be near Pampis. But say your guy is too emotional, he doesn't see it.
It's many emotions.
Your friend is Sammy flex.
China, only for one for one show.
Why? Na me be say who say Kevin boy case Kevin boy case your mbo no electoral and function be mo no o carry your mo o share clash no
I don't know
na me be say basa mo carry
Stonebwoy is on 1 minute.
basa mo carry
Wow. It has been very exciting this evening here on the show.
Charlie, can't see any process. Okay, family
and of course, the one usual face now is Roland Amate. And girls, don't feel Roland more. Don't feel Kwame, this is why Kwame Daddy. Can you please raise your head and stop testing at your people? Also testing your people. Guys, thank you so much, and to all those online, God bless you. Of course, thanks to Digital Rasta Currency, Flex, Yala PG, Nana Reagan, Tilly Akiadipa, in Team Dodo Solomon, MC Berima, and all the guys who are making sure the show grows bigger than before. God bless you. My name is Sammy Flex. We are out of here.